Are you looking for ways to fake video calls on Snapchat? I got you. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps by which you can properly fake a video call on Snapchat. Yeah, Snapchat. You heard that right, okay? In the past, I've made a video on how to fake video calls on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Hangouts. And since then, I've been getting loads and loads of messages in my on my social media accounts and my comment section. People asking me to make videos on how to fake calls on Snapchat, and I'm excited to share with you guys that in this video I'll be showing you guys on how to do this. It's Gerard here. If you're new to this channel, I really make easy to follow tutorials, so I advise you to tap on the on the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. To fake video call on Snapchat properly, there are three things that you will be needing. First, your phone. Of course, you'll be needing your phone. Secondly, you need an app called OVF Editor. And thirdly, you'll be needing Snapchat. Why wouldn't you be needing that? All right. But there's a bad news. The bad news is that this is only available on Android. It's not available on iPhone. All right. But I'll keep doing my research. The moment it's available on iPhone, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let you guys know. So Android users, this is for you. And I'm going to stress on this. This is for educational purposes only. This is for educational purposes only. Please don't use this to steal from anyone. Don't use this to scam anyone. Don't use this for ill intent. Don't use this to hurt anyone. All right. So without wasting much time, I'll be switching to my phone. So this is on my phone. So for you to fake video call on Snapchat. First, this is Snapchat. This is how it looks like. I'm sure most of you already have know what Snapchat looks like, so whatever it is. So like I said, you need an OVF editor. That's the app you're going to need. It helps you send video as live snap. I'm sure most of you are familiar with that app. So first you have to go to your OVF editor. I'm sure by now you must be friends with the person you want to call. So just go to your OVF editor. This is how the OVF editor looks like. So this is just the ad on this site, but this is technically the audio. So you're going to select video. All right, so you just go through your phone and find the video you want to use to prank the person or want to use to fake the call. That's the video you'll be needing. So you're going to select, like, we're going to make use of Ronaldo's video. Like I used Ronaldo's videos in my last video, how to fake video call. So we're going to make use of it. So we're going to upload it here. So you're going to save it. As you can see, saved it. It's saved on the phone. So what you need to do next is you need to tap on search. So when you tap on search, you're going to search for upload video. So you're going to see this upload video sign, like looks like gallery sign. So you're going to tap on it. Okay, you're going to let it load. So you're going to tap on the video, that's this Ronaldo's video that was saved. Tap on that very one, and we're going to click on this upload sign, this gallery sign. So it's going to load. Let it load. So now that it has loaded, you're going to save again. All right, now it's saved now. Okay, so now what you need to do is that you come back to your OVF editor. Come back to your OVF editor. Let's let it load. Let's let it load, and you click on select video again. You're going to that video you saved, the video you saved earlier. Click on it. Yes, this you can see this is the video that you saved. Okay, you want to save it again. Okay, come back. You're going to come here. Now you're going to find the person that you want to. All right, so let's call this mix of this is my friend, so let's call her. All right, I'm making use of this. So you're going to close the camera, and then you're going to tap on this sign here. Then you're going to see the gallery sign again. You're going to click on the gallery sign here. Then when you click on it, this is the next video that's going to be playing, that video you saved. All right, so it starts playing. So when the receiver picks up the call, this is the only video the person will be seeing. All right, this is the only video the person will be seeing. So let's see. As you can see, yeah, this is the only video the person will be seeing. All right, so this is like everything, the step by step on how to do it. So this is how the other end will looks like. The receiver, this is what the receiver will be seeing on his or her screen. Okay, so this is like easy. It's not that complicated. So that's how to fake video calls on Snapchat, okay? And I'll also stress on this. This is strictly for educational purposes only. Please don't use it for any ill intent. Don't use it to hurt anyone. Don't use it to steal from anyone. Don't use it to scam anyone. This is strictly for educational purposes only. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I advise you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. And if possible, share this video and drop a comment in the comment section below, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video.